Hi friends, today we are going to discuss maximum power transfer theorem. This is very important topic. Before going to the topic, please subscribe our channel Objective ECU Guru where we can find short notes, competitive exams and previous year questions. Okay, let's start. Maximum power transfer theorem concept is maximum power delivered to the load when RL equal to RTH. Key condition is for DC circuits RL equal to RTH. For AC circuits ZL equal to conjugate of ZTH. Power formula maximum power Pmax equal to VTH square by 4 RTH. Very common numerical problem. Efficiency at maximum power equal to 50% only. Important theory question which is very tricky in exam. Previous year questions focus. State condition. Derive RL equal to RTH. Find maximum power. Why efficiency is 50%. Maximum power transfer theorem. Quick revision line is maximum power means RL equal to RTH. Please subscribe. Thank you.